Alright, so this is our input output test. Me and Sai are going to be doing this video. Right now we have our inputs 0.02, 0.04, and 0.06 on. Those are our retracted cylinder sensors. So that's going to be, as you can see right there, 0.2, 0.4, and 0.6 are true right now. And they're going to be cylinder sensors 1, 3, and 6. Or no, 1, 3, and 5. And as you can see, they correspond to the right ones. It's 0.2, 0.4, and then 0.6. And then, alright, now we're showing the extended cylinder sensors. So it's going to be tags 0.3, 5, and then 7. And then on our PLC, and it's also going to be the same ones on our computer, as you can see right there. 3, 5, and 7 are true, which means they're on right now.
3, 5, and 6.
Yeah, 3, 5, and 7. And that's going to be cylinder sensors 2, 4, and 6. So that's it for our cylinder sensors. Go.
You know what I'm saying? Okay, so this is the start button. This is PLC tag 0.1. And then this, when you click the stop button, PLC tag 0.0 turns off. And then when you
And then on the computer, right now, let go of one of the buttons. Right now the stop, no, just hold the stop button. Stop button. So the stop button, as you can see right now, stop is on, and it's gonna be on until you press it, and then click stop. Yep, stop turned off. Now click start. Yep, and they coordinate to the tag assigned on the PLC. Right now we're gonna show the e-stop, which is 1.2 on our PLC, or 1.1 I mean. And then when we release it, it's off. So right now we're gonna turn it on so we can see on our PLC, or on our computer. And as you can see, the e-stop is labeled 1.1, and it is true right now. We're gonna demonstrate our photoelectric sensor working right now. It's gonna be tag 1.2 on our input side. Turns on. As you can see, he's doing it right now. Can't really see it, but he's putting a reflective thing on there. Now we're gonna show it on our computer. Our photoelectric sensor is 1.2, and it is true. Take it off. And as you can see, it went false when we stopped it. For our outputs, we're gonna force them to work. So right now we're forcing our start LED. Forced it true. So 0.0 on our output side should turn on right now. It is turned on, and you can see that our start LED is on. Now we're gonna force our stop LED on. Now it's true. You can see our 0.1 is on our output side, and our stop LED turned on. Now we're going to demonstrate the VFD. When we force the VFD, it's going to turn on the conveyor belt. The tag is Q0.2. So now it's true. Q0.2 is on. Alright, so right now the VFD is forced to true. And the right tag for it is on, which is Q0.2. And the VFD made the conveyor belt turn on. Here, try to get a better view. Don't put it in. Just hold it. And then say right now we're going to turn it off.
Right now we're going to turn off the conveyor belt. Perfect. Turned off.
And the VFD tag should be off, which is Q0.2, which it is. So now we're going to do our solenoids. We're going to force our first one. This is going to be our single acting solenoid. And the Address is going to be Q0.6, labeled solenoid 2. And our single acting solenoid is on, as you can see. And on the PLC, output 0.6. Output 0.6 is on right now. We're going to force solenoid 3, which is one of our double acting cylinders right now. The address is Q0.7, and it is on right now. Can you show that it's on? 0.7?
Yep. See right here, 0.7 is lit up.
I'm gonna turn it off.
Turn it off. And now 0.7 is off on the PLC.
And then solenoid 4, which is the second one. It's our second solenoid on the double acting. And the address is going to be Q1.0. Right now it's forced to true. And the third solenoid turned on. And as you can see, it turned on as well on our table. And the address is Q1.0. We're going to turn it off. Now we're going to force solenoid 5. Address Q1.1. And it turned on. Address Q1.1 is on the PLC. I'm going to force it off. Moving on to our last solenoid, which is solenoid 1, address Q0.5. And that's our last double acting solenoid. And on our PLC, Q0.5 is on. And that's it for our input-output test. Me and Sai out.